Service King was founded over 40 years ago in Dallas, Texas in 1976 by our founder, Eddie Lennox. We've grown into a national leader in high-quality collision repair, and we continue to grow today. We're looking for technicians who really have a drive for the industry, where this is something that they have a true passion of doing. We really follow the Service King way, which is the integrity in what we do. So when we go recruit UTI students, we're really looking for someone who shows consistency in their attendance at UTI, has good grades, and really shows a passion for wanting to begin a career in the collision repair industry. There's certainly a significant demand right now for qualified technicians. This is a great option for anybody looking for a career that's always going to be in demand, that has open positions. So students looking at this as a career, collision repair is a fantastic option. Plus, companies like Service King are growing across the country right now. Service King alone has over 300 locations, 24 states. So if you come out of UTI as a qualified technician and you begin your career with Service King, we have options all over the country, and we continue to grow today. So students at UTI have a fantastic opportunity coming into Service King. We have the apprentice development program, which continues to grow today. We have locations across the country. We take students and follow a 52-week curriculum in the apprentice development program. Once they come through the program, we have a national support center that continues to provide on-the-job training throughout the year. This is an evolving industry. Technology continues to increase, so it's important, and we believe in equipping our technicians with continued training as they grow throughout their career. This is a company who believes what they preach, who believes what they do. We continue to support one another, and it's a company that's provided opportunity for countless teammates across the country.